こんにちは。Welcome to FURI Kitchen. Today, Sheena is going to make Vegan Teriyaki BLT Sandwich. This is a mouth-watering vegan twist on the classic BLT sandwich, elevated with the bold, sweet, savory flavors of Japanese teriyaki sauce. Crispy tofu strips take the place of bacon, perfectly balancing the fresh, crunchy lettuce and the juicy tomatoes. It's a harmony of bold flavors and satisfying textures, completely plant-based and utterly delicious. Okay, let's get started. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Take 250 grams of extra firm tofu and peel it into strips using a vegetable peeler. Don't worry if the strips break or come out in uneven shapes. This actually adds variety of the texture, making it even more exciting to eat. Extra firm tofu works best here, so I've included a link in the description for the tofu I used, just in case you want to check it out. Spread the tofu strips out in a single layer on a baking tray lined with baking paper, and give them a light spray of olive oil. Bake the tofu in the preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes until the edges are golden and crispy. Heat a frying pan over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir everything together for about 30 seconds, letting it blend into a shiny sauce. Add the crispy tofu strips to the frying pan and mix them until they are fully coated in that teriyaki glaze. Set it aside while we prepare the rest of the sandwich. Shred some iceberg lettuce and slice a ripe tomato into thin slices. To assemble the sandwich, toast your bread slices and spread a thin layer of vegan mayonnaise on one side of a slice. On top of that, layer the shredded lettuce, followed by the tomato slices, and sprinkle with some black pepper. I don't think you need to add salt as the teriyaki flavor is bold enough. Place the teriyaki tofu strips over the tomato slices. And add a bit more vegan mayonnaise on top. Finally, top it with the other slice of bread and gently press it down. You can slice the sandwich in half to make it easier to enjoy. Dekita! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said. The crispy teriyaki tofu strips are bursting with flavor, perfectly complementing the fresh lettuce, juicy tomato, and creamy vegan mayo. Every bite is a delicious balance of bold flavors and satisfying textures. Sheena highly recommends it for anyone looking to enjoy a unique twist on a classic BLT. Thank you for watching FURI Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね